Hi everyone, welcome back to another session with me. A quick update of what's happening in the markets. As you can see on the screens, very aggressive move by in the yen, a bit of strength coming back in the yen. And this morning we actually saw that and highlighted to some of our customers, some of our traders, that there was a good selling opportunity. Why has it moved so quickly, so fast? Well, that's because obviously there's been Bank of Japan intervention or warnings of intervention coming from Satsuki Katayama, who is the finance minister. So obviously his rhetoric is we're looking to strengthen the yen, so that's given us that actual big move that we've seen. So it's very important to try and capture these moves. We don't know what someone's going to say, but we can hopefully during the trading day get into those opportunities. At that time of 114.013, which is highlighted here on the screen, we didn't know what was going on, what was happening. We just had our analysis in play, our structure in play, our strategy ready to go. We took a short trade here because we'd seen the high, it's pulled back from the high and actually broken an uptrend. Okay, do you remember we need 3 valid touches for a trend? Once that's broken, that's really given us kind of an idea that maybe price action is stalling. Maybe it's not going to go so far. Maybe it's even going to pull back and retrench a little bit to the 200-day moving average, which has gone through here. So very aggressive moves. And obviously those kind of setups, you need to find out how to deploy them, how to use them, and how to make money out of them. Very important, making money. That's what we're all in it for. You can see CAD yen as well, an aggressive one. We had this kind of reversal of the parabolic, get in there nicely, 116.634, and right down to that level here on the 200-day, but it smashed it even further. When you see those kind of announcements come out, you are going to see higher volatility. You're going to see an extra big move because they are in control of the liquidity, aren't they? They're telling the market, well, we think the yen has been too weak for too long. Okay, so they're going to intervene and look for a little bit of strength because obviously the Japanese economy doesn't need the yen to go even weaker. They need to step in, intervene and start purchasing yen, hence making it stronger and hopefully helping their economy. Happens all the time. It's just one of those things you've got to be aware of, and you've got to capture. You've got to make noise or make hay while that noise is there. And if you can try and do that with some of the structures we can show you, then fantastic. I did a little screenshot of the account as well, just so we've had, just so you can see what's been happening. I don't have an account open here, but really you can see the realised P&L from some of the trades we've done only from the 28th. And we had an equity trades where we didn't make any money, but again, we've made some money in Aussie yen. You can see Euro Oz, okay, Aussie CAD recently, Aussie US, yeah, they were good yielding trades for us. And we're looking for 1% on a 100k account. Again, we made some money in crude as well. But not, we managed our losses. Look how we've managed our losses. You know, we stopped to entry on Aussie CAD on the other side of the trade. You know, this one we went long. This Aussie CAD here, yeah, we went short. Okay, so we're flexible. We're not just sitting, waiting for certain hit and hoping that analysis. Here we have a structure. If something changes, don't be scared to reverse tack. Yeah, so it's important that we look at the balance history on the account to prove that we're making cash or we're making profitable trades and building an account. So back to the analysis, you know, how would we have got in? Well, as described, I typically look for a 1-to-1, but if it goes even better, then happy days. So I would look, we got in around this level here. Trading View kindly allows that, puts in a 1-to-1, but I'd place my stop just above the recent high. Yeah, hasn't been there, so we don't want it to go there again after that trend break. Okay, you've probably seen Nasdaq do something similar, but blast through and go to new highs again because of earnings are good. But here, yeah, we can make 1-to-1. You know, you might not want to put in your target. Well, we will set up a 1-to-1, bank it, move on to the next one. Same here in CAD yen. We moved it to the top. Above the high, well, the high is here now, isn't it? Move the high, we placed our stop just above, then we wait and see where that goes. Listen, I wish every trade would go as quickly and as nicely as these two, but again, It's just me showing you if you've got your strategy in place, if you've got your mindset in the right place, and you've got your trade management and capital allocation correct, money can be taken out of the markets. We're not privy to those announcements before they happen. We're privy on being solid technical analysis, understanding that fundamental skew in the marketplace. So, traders, all I would say to you is get yourself educated, build some knowledge. Reading will always help with that. Maybe coming into one of our desk trader days that we have here at Trade Uni on a Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Anybody can approach me and ask me how we do that, what we do, and please just get in touch. There's lots of, we're online all of the time, or you can just send us a message to our website, www.trade-uni.com, and we can help you build that knowledge, build consistency and build your account, because we're all in it to make money. Okay, we don't treat it as a hobby, we treat it as a business, so you've got to take it seriously. So serious people, if you want to do it, get in touch, come and see us, and we'd be gladly, hopefully, help you out and get you trading the markets in what we think a more consistent, profitable way. So that's it for now. Have a great day, and lots more trading to do. Stay safe, stay healthy and happy. We'll touch base soon. All the best. Goodbye.